Hey, it's a privilege. I want to ask Alicia Barton, the CEO of the Mass CEC, to come up. Today has been all about stepping up, and the Mass CEC is absolutely doing that, and she's got some exciting things to chat about.
Good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to start by reiterating the many thanks that have been given to Northeastern for hosting us today. This has been a terrific venue and a great convening forum for this amazing group of leaders around water technology and the cluster that we're all here to talk about launching today. So thank you for that. For any of you that don't know Mass CEC, and I think I do know many of you, again, I'm Alicia Barton. I'm the CEO of the Massachusetts Clean Energy Center. We are a publicly funded entity that is, we were actually created by the Green Jobs Act in 2008 to be the economic development arm and the implementation tool for the governor's big picture policy agenda related to clean energy. So what we really try and focus on is supporting the industry. And we've been doing that for many years on the clean energy side. And now we are, as has been mentioned by the governor and Secretary Sullivan this morning, coming together with the group of business, academic, and industry and investor community leaders to put together this next phase of the development for the water industry cluster here in Massachusetts. I think there's been a few statistics mentioned about why this is an important effort for the Commonwealth, given the significant level of activity that's already taking place here. We've talked about over 300 companies in water technology in the Commonwealth with billions of dollars in revenue. A couple of statistics I wanted to mention briefly that weren't mentioned. We also we know that Massachusetts is home to many world-class research efforts, and that has played out in particular on the water side. Massachusetts has last year in 2012 was awarded the most patents on a per capita basis in water technology, and also the most small business innovation and research grants, the SBIR grants per capita around water awards from the federal government as well. So it's a strong signal that there's a lot of exciting activity taking place. And what we want to do at Mass CEC is be a resource, as I said, to the industry. And there are many of us here today from the Massachusetts Clean Energy Center, in addition to myself. So I'd encourage you to introduce yourselves to them and get to know us if you haven't met us already. And I'll point out Michael Murphy, who's been mentioned and who will be moderating our panel coming up, but also Jeremy McDermott from our team is here, and Sandy Kreis and Jim Bowen. I don't know if any of them are in the room right now, but in the back. Thanks, Sandy. So we are here and wanting to partner with all of you to figure out how do we go to the next level. And in particular, one of the first steps that we've taken is to focus on supporting the effort that has come together to start the Massachusetts Water Industry Cluster and the launch committee that has come together. So I wanted to start just by mentioning a couple of folks to express our thanks to those businesses that have already stepped up to the plate to make a commitment to be part of the water industry cluster launch committee that will be working as we move forward to provide the type of organization and enthusiasm and promotion for the work going on here, and to figure out how do we bring again all these various components, all the various sectors that are represented here today together to figure out how do we reduce barriers to innovation, how do we make progress together. So I do want to thank Tom Tillis, Chris McIntyre, Walt Chafee, Pete Tunnicliffe, and John Leonhardt in particular, who are the founding members of the launch committee and have committed to that effort. So thank you to all of them. And also to David Goodtree for your tireless support and advocacy for this effort as well. So there are a lot more thanks to go around, but I look forward more to working with all of you going forward. And I'd encourage you to be in touch with Michael Murphy if you're interested in getting engaged in that effort. So that was one of the first things that we have taken on. But I also want to make a couple of announcements that we're excited about. The Commonwealth announced 3 awards for water technology innovation, grant awards today. So the first one was under a program to fund pilot and demonstration projects that we have called Innovate Mass. And that really squares very closely with a lot of the themes that we've heard today about the necessity of having pilot sites and test sites, and certainly Per Sunneby's presentation about the NEWIN proposal is further evidence that there's a clear need for that. So we at Massachusetts Clean Energy Center started a program called Innovate Mass to fund collaborative partnerships to pilot and demonstrate clean technology projects here in the Commonwealth. And in particular, we brought in a couple of other partners to specifically focus on a water technology challenge. So we brought together our partners from the United States Environmental Protection Agency, and Maggie Thoreau is here and had done a lot of work with us on this, and also from the New England Clean Energy Council, and Peter Rothstein is here, and thanks to both of those partners for putting up an additional amount of money to match the grant funds we made available for Innovate Mass to specifically focus on a water technology challenge. So we did announce today that Applied Environmental Technology from Wollaston, Massachusetts was the winner of that particular award. They will be receiving grant funds both from Mass CEC, but also from United States EPA and NECEC to pilot a novel combination of wastewater technologies, an innovative septic system at the Alternative Septic System Test Center in Barnstable. So that's a pilot that's directly focused on addressing one of the clear water challenges we have here in the Commonwealth, which is nutrient loading on Cape Cod. So that was one award that we're very excited to announce today. And we also have two others under our company Catalyst program, which is a longstanding grant program we have at the Massachusetts Clean Energy Center in partnering with the Massachusetts Technology Transfer Center. And these are $40,000 grant awards for advanced research projects to advance research-based technology to commercialization. And two of the awards for this round of Catalyst funding are going to water technology companies. And I wanted to announce both of those as well. One of them is to a researcher from here at Northeastern University, so that is exciting. Latika Menon, who is developing a prototype for advanced filtration membranes, and that is one award that will work towards developing a prototype of a promising technology coming out of Northeastern. And the other award is being made to NBD Nanotechnologies, and I think Miguel from NBD was here. There's Miguel. So congratulations to you as well. And NBD is providing durable coating technologies for a variety of applications, including water harvesting. So this is another role that Mass CEC can play, which is to directly support emerging clean energy technology companies. I want to thank, again, our partners at EPA, the New England Clean Energy Council Institute, and also at the Massachusetts Technology Transfer Center for partnering with us on this effort. The last announcement I wanted to make in terms of what we're working on. Thank you, David. That's great. And the last announcement related to the work we're doing at Mass CEC is that we are also working on finalizing a strategic partnership with Imagine H2O, which is an ecosystem for entrepreneurship and innovation in the water sector. And the partnership is really an effort to identify and support water entrepreneurs here in the Commonwealth and to help them participate in the accelerator work that Imagine H2O does in a variety of other locations already. I believe that Imagine H2O Chairman Tamin Petchett is here? No? Outside. Had to leave. Okay. But we're excited about that emerging partnership, which we think will be another strong resource for clean water technology entrepreneurs and businesses here in the Commonwealth. So thank you to everyone again for being here, and all of us at the Massachusetts Clean Energy Center look forward to working with you on this effort.